Remodeling the kitchen or the bathroom is a job that is not particularly easy. But if we also have to remove the old tiles, things get complicated. We have to do a work that is noisy, expensive and often requires licenses or permissions. There are solutions, such as painting the tiles, that until now can be used to fix this, but we didn't get a real ceramic finish. The good news is that we now have a product that provides us with the benefits of a good ceramic, trendy and with a very simple installation. We are going to show you this new product and teach you how it is installed. These are the planks. We call this product vinyl wall panels or planks. They perfectly imitate ceramic but with a warmer and more pleasant texture. They are made up of 3 layers. A top layer of vinyl, a second intermediate layer of mineral particles, and a foam base that allows us to make immediate fixation. It is a very light material, quite flexible and above all, thanks to the mineral particles it is extremely resistant. To do the installation we have to ensure that the planks are well aligned. To do this we draw a line of level. Let's measure the height. Let's measure the width. And in the central point we draw a cross to start making the laying. To place the planks we are going to use this adhesive. It is a specific adhesive for this product. We cannot replace it with another because it is the one that gives it a perfect grip. We have made a generous cut in the cannula to allow the product to flow better. Notice that this foam base already has its own adhesive that allows an immediate grip while the adhesive that we have just takes effect. The laying of the first plank is very important. Place the corner and the upper part following the line and then lean it and press down. Notice that we are placing the plank directly because we have a tiled wall that is not porous. If we have a porous wall, we must first apply a specific primer to give it grip. Even in some cases when we have textured walls we have to apply more amount of adhesive so that it can cover well. We are going to mark the plank in the middle, at 30.5 centimeters. Look at the authentic effect of the grout joint that this plank makes thanks to the white bezel on the edge. To cut the plates, just cut with a cutter along the desired cutting line, breaking through the top layer. Then flip the plank and fold it over the cut so that it snaps. Then cut the protective paper from the base. If we have to make a hole, as in this case with the plug, we measure and mark in the panel. As you can see, we don't remove the frame because this is a stage prop. But you should do it. And we take the mark to the space that we have to cut. We cut the plank with the help of a tri-square, breaking the surface with a cutter. If the cut is well traced, the piece breaks without any difficulty. If you want to place the plank in the corner and do not want to use profile, breaking it starting from behind and folding it could fit us perfectly. This is very useful especially in cases where the corner does not make a 90-degree angle. Notice that one of the most beautiful elements that this coating has is the grout joint. But when we cut the plank to keep half of it, we lose the bevel of the cut area. For this reason, when we get to the corners it is important that we always leave the non-beveled part under the profile. Once we finish placing the plates, we place the profiles. We have found special aluminum profiles to resist water, same as the panels, and which are in the same color. We have both corner profiles as well as finishing profiles. To place the corner profile, we apply some silicone that will help us seal it. The angle profile is decorated on all four sides so that it can be placed at both exterior and interior angles. We are going to make the joint of the profile with the countertop with this matte aluminum profile. Now that we know how to install the planks, we can use a big quantity of decorative possibilities that vinyl wall panels offers us.